Hello student, the question is from DSA and the question is a linked answer question. Okay, so they have given the first question is the level order traversal of some trees gives the following order, so identify which one corresponds to a heap. So among these we have to find out which of the following is a heap. Okay, now mainly you know that to find the minimum heap, minimum or the smallest, to find the minimum heap, the smallest element in the array, should be the root. Okay, if any subtree or subnode is there, then it must also be a heap. Means that any node should be smaller than descendants, right? So check option A. Option A is what? 3, 4, 6, 2. Okay, when we are going to construct a heap, we will construct like this, right? 3, 4, 6, then this will come here, right? So 2 is the smallest one in the array, but this is not the root, so option A cannot be a heap. Okay, so option A is wrong. Now the second option B, 3, 4, 6, 21, 10, 7, 8, 22, 28, 39, 9, 25, 20. Okay, so we have to check for this option B. Okay, now what is option C? Again we have to check for option C. We have to construct the heap. Now in the D option also the same concept is there repeated as in A, so therefore D is also wrong. Now we have to check for B and C, right? So check for B. B is 3, 4, 6, then it is 21, 10, then 22, 28, then 13, then 9, first this will come 7 and 8, then this 22, 28, 13 and 9 will come, then 25 and 20. So this is okay, fine, the root is the smallest one, but can you check there is a mistake in a subtree? See, this is a subtree. Okay, so this is the smallest, the 9 is less than 10, so this should be the root, but this is not the case, so this can also not be a heap. Our C is the answer, but we will verify by the diagram. It is 3, 4, 6, then 21, 10, 7, 8, 22, 28, 13, 19, 25 and 20. So this follows our the basic rule which I discussed here. So this is our heap, this is the C option, therefore answer is C for the first part. Okay, so this was the first part. Now the second part is what will be the level order traversal after we delete the root. Okay, so again same thing we will see. So in the second, if we delete the root, means we have to delete this root, then what will be the sequence and what will be the heap? Okay, so we will check for the first option. Okay, 4, it is 10, then 6, 21, 13, then 7, 8, 22, 28, then 20, then 19, this is 25. Okay, this satisfies our result. So maybe the other one we can see, maybe somewhere it will violate, these other options will violate the heap if we delete the root value. Okay, so our answer is A only, so the answer is A. See, all this is the smallest, so this is the root, and all the other nodes 10, 6, 21, 13, 7 all are smaller than its descendants. Okay, so this is a particular heap. Okay, minimum heap, we can say minimum heap. So this is the answer. Okay, answer is A. Thank you.